Today is the day.
We pull out the engine.
Morning. So we're going to have a few extra people visit and help today. It's going to be really useful because I don't really know what I'm doing. I know the first things first is to remove some of the stuff at the front of the engine. Also, apologies about the sound. There's an air show on next to us, so hopefully it won't get in the way too much today. But first part, let me just quickly go through here. So there's the main engine block. Right at the front here, got the intercooler. That's got to go first. Radiator and alternator. So those three things there really need to go first. So those will be the first things we work on. After that, we will get through to the main engine. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. It's really nice that I'm really lucky that I've got some people who do know what they're doing a bit more. So they'll probably take a bit more of the lead. But I want to be doing a lot of it, and Imogen wants to be doing a lot of it because this is our opportunity to learn.
What are you planning on doing? I know obviously you're going to rebuild the whole thing, but are you going to...
You're going to take the frame out anyway.
Yeah, if you're going to take the subframe out, if you're going to get it powder coated, etc., then we'll take the whole suspension unit, the lot on a pallet, just put the whole thing down.
Let's do that. Taking the wheels off first.
Gloves back on.
Gloves on, Emmy.
When my gloves are on, I mean business.
That's an 8mm socket, and we're going to do that rather than a flat base because it helps to stop wearing the nuts on the jiggly.
Am I doing this right?
That's fine. You'll probably feel it start slipping out in a minute. There you go.
Woo.
So then that can slide backwards. And that means there's no tension on that joint.
Just a videographer today.
So when Greg says come round with fingers and hands to take the engine out, it's can you take the engine out while I film it?
That one off already?
Yeah, oh that's the coolant. So have you drained all the coolant, Greg?
It's gone.
Yeah,
All over the floor, right?
Thank you very much. Right. Intercooler was here. There we go. Yeah, it's a bit greasy. So yeah, intercooler was there. Ooh, we got power tools.
Come in.
And now it's here.
Bit of a large on here, please.
Yeah.
Right. I think we'll just do, even though I'm going to take it out as a complete thing. And then it's much easier to deal with it afterwards. Ow. Right. Left hand brake assembly.
Thank you. I'll put a label that in a minute.
WD? You
No.
haven't got any WD? Is this going to be child friendly? Because it's not going to be soon, I tell you. If you haven't got any WD-40.
I'll go get some.
You said you were going to spray all the on me, yeah? I thought this was one that had been missed. Git.
I think we're gonna have to have a few bleeps.
Yeah, you might have.
Take the alternator off.
Yes. Show me how.
Right. So, cable's off.
Yeah.
You'll probably need a 10mm.
They're all different bloody sizes.
10mm. They look like 10mm. Hopefully this is all metric.
Well.
Yeah,
We hope.
That old chestnut. Yeah, let's
It
get the
was
cables
in
off that
original.
end. So 10mm and those two. Make sure you've got a photo of where those connectors go onto the alternator. There you go, there's your alternator.
Does it work?
That's a good point. That's the fact that's ready hot, red hot.
Here you go, take a photo of that. The exhaust is off.
They're amazing, aren't they?
Exhaust off.
Yes. Get in.
Hey, got an issue. This bolt is currently spinning because there is a captive nut in here. We can't get it out at the moment.
Just about get into that side. Not getting anything on it.
Right,
It's going to be difficult.
William, getting dripped on.
Yes!
Sweet, sweet, sweet. It's out.
Work.
It's out, Tim's.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
There we go, done!
Yay! Victory! Can you do that again?
Can't do that again.
Okay, do it again. It'll be a funny thumbnail.
Blood accident.
You're going to hold it because when you do it, it's going to go. It's going to try and pull your arm around, okay? I'll hold that. And then you're going to pull that trigger, okay? So hold on until I'm on it. Okay?
hold the button.
Pull the trigger. Perfect. Well done.
I still need to do a bit more.
No, that's it.
Right,
Awesome.
Is that it? Is it
that's
out?
it. Well,
In theory.
everything should be
Should be.
right. Check.
It's out. She's down.
There you go.
Next episode, I expect you're stripping this bad boy down. So yeah, it's out, but there's loads of extra work and lots of lessons to be learned. Oh,
That was a wrap.
that's a wrap.
I
That
love
was
wraps.
that was hectic. That was an absolute manic day. Thank you so much to our assistants, our helpers. To be honest, we were the assistants. You soon know when you run out of your own skill, and to have 2-3 chaps who knew what they were doing really helped us. We probably would be here for weeks and weeks to come. So yeah, it was brilliant. Imogen got a lesson as we went along.
Yeah, we're very tired now. So we've got lots of editing to do because it's 4 hours of work. So.
Yeah, there's a good few hours there, but it was brilliant. It was so much fun to be, have a lesson on how to actually do a lot of this. We've got a big job ahead of us to actually strip the block now that it's actually out. So we've already been told a few hints and tips, but again, we'll be following through a few manuals as we go. So fingers crossed that will be a fairly seamless exercise. Although we have to get some WD-40, which I soon was told was a complete mistake, that I hadn't actually squirted that on a lot of bolts. But anyway, we're at 260
Like 260, 270.
subscribers now. So
Let's hit 300 or 400. That would be amazing.
I think we'll say 3.
300.
That'd be brilliant. And like we said on the last video, we're shocked at how much support we're already getting. So 300 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to that. Maybe by next week. And
Hopefully.
yeah, hope you're really enjoying these things. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything. Hit that like button, because again, that really helps us. And that notification bell, ring that as well.
Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.